A few moments later.
痴心只求你爱 For you For you 给你
Good day, classmates. Good day, teachers. Good day, Lily. Today we're going to tackle about the earthquake.
What is earthquake?
Well, earthquake is a sudden shaking of the ground caused by energy released deep inside of the earth.
Well, what is energy that is causing it?
Well, there are two types of energy. It is the elastic strain energy and the systemic energy.
What differentiates them?
Well, elastic strain energy is the energy that is stored, but if released, it will be called seismic energy.
I wonder what causes an earthquake.
It's caused by the movement of the tectonic plate. The plate gets stuck, the split boils up as elastic strain energy. Then the rocks heat and release the energy as seismic energy.
Oh, okay. How does it spread?
The released energy travels as a seismic wave in the focus underground out to the epicenter on the surface. That's what we feel. Rescue!
Yes, this is my cause earthquake. We need to repair this as fast as we can. Okay, copy.
What can we do as a community for earthquake? We can prepare by knowing evacuation routes, identifying safe spots, and doing regular drills together. We can secure our homes and public buildings, keep emergency kits and supplies ready at the barangay, and set up clear ways to share alerts and updates. Most importantly, we can look out for each other, check on kids, seniors, and neighbors, and train volunteers in first aid and rescue. When everyone knows their role, we respond faster and stay safer. The biggest community solution is when everyone knows their role before the shaking starts. When drills are normal and neighbors know each other, casualties drop a lot.
We can stop the ground from shaking, but we can stand firm together.